Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to install multiple WordPress websites in Hostinger. Once you're inside your Hostinger account, go to Websites from the top. As you can see, I've already installed my first WordPress website in Hostinger. To install the second, just click on this Add Website button, then select WordPress. If you are installing your WordPress website for yourself, click on Myself, then Next. Now you need to create your WordPress login details. You can select your admin language from this drop-down list. After filling your email address, make sure to use a secured password. Then click on Next. What type of website do you want to build? I want to build a blog. Then hit Next. Now select if you want a pre-built template or a standard one. I want to skip this step. For the plugin selection, I will also skip it. Give your domain name you want to use. If you already have a domain name on another registrar or another company like GoDaddy, you can type it here. Then change your name servers on GoDaddy to Hostinger. If you, like me, you want to use a temporary domain, you can select it from here. And now they are installing my second WordPress website. To access your new installed WordPress, just click on this link. And this is my second WordPress. To switch between your multiple WordPress websites, just open this drop-down list and you can switch between your WordPress websites. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.